Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. As of October 3rd, 2024, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.24. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.73%. This amounts to an average return of 0.19% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund resides at the upper boundary of a narrow and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $586.11 would initially indicate a stronger rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 9.07% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 4.56% to 9.59%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 30.67% over the next year, with potential returns between 22.29% and 31.20%. This implies a projected price range of $713.36 to $765.29 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline: SPY ETF price down approximately 531/10,000% on Tuesday. The SPY ETF price decreased by approximately 531/10,000% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024. The price dropped from $583.63 to $583.32. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.7%, with a day low of $580.38 and a day high of $584.50. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 1.77% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume fell along with the ETF price, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume should accompany ETF movements. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $16.83 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $586.12, while the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price stands at 0.48%, or $2.80, below the 52-week high of $586.12, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Goldman Sachs has projected a significant slowing in market returns for the S&P 500 over the next decade, forecasting a decline to just 3% annually. This stark contrast to the past decade's 13% returns reflects a cautious outlook that may weigh on investor sentiment in the short term, possibly leading to more tempered stock performance for SPY in the coming months. On October 22nd, the S&P 500 closed narrowly lower as investors processed a flurry of earnings reports. Mixed results, particularly from sectors such as automotive and technology, suggest that while some companies are thriving, overall momentum may be faltering. This could lead to increased volatility in SPY as traders react to shifting market dynamics. Moreover, the influence of rising Treasury yields and ongoing Federal Reserve uncertainty continues to loom over stock futures, contributing to negative sentiment in the market. This backdrop could exacerbate downward pressure on SPY, particularly if interest rates remain elevated as investors seek higher returns elsewhere. Adding to the mix, the current low dividend yield of the SPDR S&P 500 ETF at just 1.2% signals potential trouble ahead. Historically, such low yields have been precursors to market corrections. This suggests that SPY may face challenges in maintaining its value if investors prioritize higher-yielding assets. In the long term, while optimistic scenarios like a no-landing economy may eventually bolster stock prices, the immediate landscape appears challenging. The combination of lower return expectations, rising yields, and muted earnings news highlights the need for cautious investment strategies regarding SPY in the foreseeable future. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF is currently receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $582.91 and $568.55. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, October 18, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 0.217%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 31 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 228 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $543.01 and $532.90. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $543.01. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $532.90 and $517.38. In general, the fund tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. During the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $4.12 between high and low, or 0.71%. For the last week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 0.654%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $583.63. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $543.01. If this support level remains intact, it could represent a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $561.63, reflecting a decline of 3.72%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. Recently, a sell signal was indicated from a pivot top discovered 2 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Several short-term indicators, alongside a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near term. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our assessment indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, we anticipate that the SPY will open lower by approximately 58 cents, beginning trading at $582.73. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.